Hey everyone, it is Shar from Shar's Fashion Nation. I am here with another, and I already pre-cut it open, Influenster box, right? So sometimes when I'm doing artwork or just doodling, and I like to save my place, right? I like to save my place. I was just doodling. Sometimes I like to use paper clips. So I got the chance to try the assorted paper clips from Pengear. Pengear. They have all sorts of office gear to help you with your office needs. So if you have the need for paper clips or more, try Pengear. So with this is 1,000 paper clips, and this is a really hefty box. As you can see, I'm in the office again, and this will come in handy, even if it means putting documents together or putting together papers for doctor's appointments so that you can keep them all together secured with Pengear paper clips. So remember, Pengear paper clips, they hold your life's work together.